Pročitat ću iz jednu pjesmu iz zbirke koja je proslavila pjesnika Caleba Femija. Pjesma se zove Survivor's Guilt or Anikulapo. And so, I slipped through the cracks, can't tell you how it was done, the plain act of drawing breath each time, dubbing alternating endings for myself until my presence at funerals felt like bragging, run over twice, stabbed, shot, a car crash. I'm a museum of all the ghosts I could have been. Why me, when better boys deserved life, when mothers deserved living sons? I have sung the chorus of revenge at red dusk. Lord, if you be at all, be a blade, Joshua Bennett. If not, the mandem will do what we must. Though we bow our heads, it cannot be for shame. Gang signs or prayers, what one cannot solve, the other surely will. My fingers are bilingual like that. Gun fingers get raised in the dance. We buzz shots up in the clouds. Angels get hit and fall like loose feathers. Sometimes, yeah, men them forget and aim into the crowd. Each dawn I wake and scroll myself for new scars, confess that I want to live for good times. Picnic with a painting, lips her on the grass. But every day, on the ends, there is a procession, my breathing body.